Sophia, and this week I have a sneak peek of this week's Truffle Shuffle cookie class with homemade cookies, homemade ice cream, and a bit of truffle honey.
What is it? What do you have? Sugar.
Truffle honey.
Thank you, Truffle Shuffle.